Hello, family. Jonathan here, and this is just a quick reminder. Listen, if you have not yet grabbed a copy of my business book, The One Shoe Wonder, well, this is your moment. This book is a powerful guide to help you build your brand from the ground up. Even if you're starting small with just one idea, one product, or one service. Inside, I share the same mindset, the same strategies, the same business principles that helped me build and launch my own brand, IMMUNITY Footwear. So go right now on Amazon and get your copy of The One Shoe Wonder and make sure to leave us a beautiful review. Listen, now it's your time to start turning your passion into purpose and your purpose into profit. The link is in the description. Bye for now.